Hey dude, you know those robots that took over? Yeah? Well, I think I see some now. Ha ha ha, we have come to destroy you. Eat this, you mother. Ow! You just cut his head off. I know, it was fun. Haha, I took your sword. Hey dude, since that guy took my sword, I can't fight. You're gonna have to do it on your own. Whatever. Hey dude, look what I got. I don't know what to do. Oh, now I know. Ow! What'd you do to my head? I don't know.
Stop committing suicide.
I'm gonna beat you up for killing my guys. You mother! That was easy.
Yeah,
Hey dude, why did you
Go.
kill your own teammate? That was just weird.
Go.
Hey, you sliced one of my other soldiers' heads off.
Go.
You are gay.
Go.
So eat this, you mother. Ow! Well, I guess I deserve that. What's Pumpkin Blood doing in this? See ya! Oh yeah, by the way, Samurai win. You suck big coconuts. No, I don't. Yes, you do.
I'm back.
Bye-bye. See you later, guys.